20 roads of rectangular pattern, the suitable layout for water supply distribution is grid iron system. So option B is correct. In this question, we have to find out the which of the following is not cause for global warming, which is not suitable for global warming. What is global warming? We have to know first. Global warming is nothing but to increasing the temperature of the earth because of something present in the air. So this is going to increase the temperature of the earth. This is correct. Rise of the sea level because of the increasing the temperature of the earth. The rise of the sea level is going to be there. This is also correct. Change in the circulation of pattern of the atmosphere because of the temperature variations. The atmospheric circulation is going to be changed. This is also correct. Depletion of the stratospheric ozone. Ozone is going to be on the top, so it is not going to affect because of the global warming. So option D is correct. We have to choose not caused by global warming. So option D is correct. As per IRC, the maximum load of axle of a vehicle should not exceed 8165 kgs. Direct question. In this question, we have to find out the incorrect statement with respect to the dumpy level which is adjusted properly. Which of the following is incorrect? If we see the option B, the axis of the level tube is perpendicular to the vertical axis, it is true. The horizontal crosshair should lie in a plane perpendicular to the vertical axis, it is also true. The optical axis, the axis of the object lens and the line of sight should be coincide, it is also true. The line of sight is perpendicular to the axis of the level tube, it is not true, it is false. So the incorrect statement with respect to the dumpy level which is properly adjusted is option A. So option A is correct. We have to find out the penetration value of bitumen would vary from which bitumen of grade 80 by 100. So directly we know that the penetration value, the 80 by 100 is going to indicate the penetration value. 1/10 mm of these values are going to give the penetration value of particular bitumen. 1/10 of this 80 by 10 mm is going to be 8 mm and 100 by 10 mm is going to be 10 mm. That is 8 and 10 mm. Option B is correct.
In this problem, an equation is given which is e power 2x minus 1 is equals to 0, and we have to solve this equation by using Newton's method, and the initial guess x naught is given as minus 1 and we have to find x1. Let the given function be some f of xn which is given as e power 2x minus 1. Now f dash of xn will be e2 into e power 2x. Now according to the Newton's formula, xn plus 1 is given as xn minus f of xn by f dash of xn, whereas we need to find the value of x1. So take n as 0, which will be x1 is equals to x naught minus f of x naught by f dash of x naught. Now x naught is given as minus 1, which is the initial condition, minus f of x naught. F of x naught is nothing but e power 2 into minus 1 by f dash of x naught. F dash of xn is nothing but 2 into e power 2x, so it will be 2 into e power 2 into minus 1. If we simplify this, then the value will be 2.194534, which is option C. If A is a matrix which is 371205 minus 348, then we have to check which of the following cofactors is wrong. Now the given matrix A is 371205 minus 348. Let us look into the first option, which is A through 2 equals to 9. So cofactor of third row second element, which is of 4. Now let us look into the cofactor of this. Find the minor matrix. 3 5s 15. A32 is nothing but 15 minus 2, which must be 13, and if we go and change this values, this will become minus. So A32 must be actually minus 13, but it is given as 9, so the answer is option A. Consider the function f of x is equals to x square minus 4 whole square, where x is given as a real number. Now we have to find the function has how many minimum or how many maxima. let the given function be some f of x, which is x square minus 4 whole square. Now f dash x is nothing but 2 into x square minus 4 into 2x. In order to find the stationary values, we have to make f dash as 0. So that implies 4x into x square minus 4 will be equals to 0. If we factorize, it will be x into x plus 2 into x minus 2 is equals to 0. So the stationary values are minus 2, 0 and plus 2. Now in order to find maxima or minima, we need f double dash of x. So f double dash of x is nothing but 12x square minus 16. Now let us substitute this value. At x is equals to 0, f double dash of x is nothing but minus 16. So as f double dash x is less than 0, we'll have maximum value at this point. Now at x is equals to minus 2, f double dash of x is nothing but 32. If we substitute, the value will be 32, which is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, at this point minimum will exist. So at x is equals to 2, f double dash of x is again 32, which is a positive value. So at this point also we'll obtain minimum value. So clearly we can say that there exist two minimum values and one maximum value. So the option is B. Now we have to find whether the given series is convergent or divergent or monotonically increasing or oscillating function. So the given function is n by e power n from n minus 1 to infinity. So let us go for the convergence sense. Limit n minus 1 tends to infinity, then n by n minus 1 by e power n minus 1. This can be written as limit n minus 1 tends to infinity 1 by e power n minus 1 by n minus 1. Now which can be written as 1 by e power n minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 by n minus 1 and n minus 1. As we know that this function is nothing but e, so 1 plus 1 by infinity, which is 1 by 1, which is a finite value. So the given sequence is convergent, option B. We have to find the integrating factor of the differential equation dy by dx plus y by 1 plus x square is equals to tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. Now clearly it is in the form of dy by dx plus y into p of x is equals to q of x, which is nothing but a first order linear differential equation. Now integrating factor of the first order linear differential equation is e power p of x dx, which is nothing but e power integral tan inverse 1 by 1 plus x square dx, which is nothing but e power minus tan inverse x. So option A.